We just did an in-person training and I'm out of breath, but I had so much fun with these 21 people over here, and they're all gonna come over to say something about one thing they loved about it.
I loved being the student and being able to feel what it feels like to experience the methods.
We really enjoyed today. We got a lot out of it. It was my first in-water training with Swim Angelfish. I loved getting to meet all the other swim whisperers and just hear all the things that they're implementing and just hear the wonderful work they're doing. I loved getting to work with Cindy and Aileen in person and really being in the pool. Just the hands-on part of it was just so good for me. Just getting to try all the techniques and all that kind of stuff.
The workshop definitely reiterated everything I learned on the online course, and I really loved it and enjoyed it, and can't wait to use some of these movements and the heavy work that they showed me today in my own lesson.
I will definitely be back for more of these workshops. I've learned so much.
I really loved the training. I was able to work with a lot of good people who gave a lot of expertise and things that I can take. And I really learned from them too on how to really take it to our program and help our instructors develop more with adaptive swim.
It was so fun being able to connect with other people and also kind of bounce ideas off of how we are able to work with kiddos of different abilities.
This is the best training and everyone should take it.
It was just fantastic.
So you need to come to one.
I'm really happy to hear that. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.